The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern Gray County, South Central Robert County, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Codman, or 7 miles southwest of Miami, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 3 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lefors and Codman. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Gray and Roberts.